We get you a big India Today news break. Amid the suspense over Amethi and Rai Bareli, has Mallikarjun Kharge made the first big hint? And that is about expected names from the Gandhi family. That's the big news I'm bringing to you this morning. Mallikarjun Kharge hints, no Rahul Priyanka in Uttar Pradesh. Kharge's big remark on Amethi and Rai Bareli, where even BJP in Rai Bareli hasn't decided yet. Kharge has hinted at local picks in what was once Gandhi bastions, because then what becomes the BJP strategy against the Congress party? Congress's suspense is on, but can we say when Kharge as a president of the party says possibly no Rahul, no Priyanka? Listen in to what was said and how.
People are eagerly waiting for your decision on Amethi and Rai Bareli. And many are saying that you might also contest from there.
No. See, there is no question of my contesting there. But 1 or 2 days you will know that who will be the candidates.
एक प्रत्याशी को लेकर अगर गांधी परिवार आते हैं, क्या लग रहा है? क्योंकि क्या लग रहा है कि सांसद स्मृति ईरानी के चेहरे से डर रहे हैं या भाग रहे हैं या फिर उतारने में?
नहीं कहूँगी, हम मोदी की गारंटी लेकर अमेठी की धरा पर लड़ रहे हैं। अमेठी में जब जो भी कांग्रेस का प्रत्याशी आएगा उनको निश्चित रूप से जवाब देना पड़ेगा कि 15 साल लापता सांसद के परिवार में सत्ता थी केंद्र में, तभी सारे काम क्यों नहीं हुए? ऐसा क्यों है कि 4 लाख परिवारों में अमेठी में टॉयलेट नहीं था? प्रति परिवार अगर आप 4 लोग भी देखें तो इसका मतलब 4 लाख परिवार मतलब 16 लाख लोगों के पास अमेठी में टॉयलेट नहीं था। ये क्या कोई सोच सकता है कांग्रेस के गढ़ के बारे में? तो इसीलिए हम अपने 5 साल के काम और उनके 15 साल के अगर वो एक भी काम गिनवाना शुरू करें तो इसी के बीच में मुझे लगता है ये चुनाव कंपैरिजन का, एक नामदार का गायब होना और कामदार का काम।
एक आखिरी सवाल लेंगे। अमेठी लोकसभा सीट है और इंडिया अलायंस गठबंधन भी है। कल बसपा ने भी यहाँ प्रत्याशी उतार दिया है, समाजवादी पार्टी कांग्रेस का गठबंधन है। लगातार समाजवादी पार्टी के विधायक भाजपा में शामिल लगभग हो ही गए हैं, तो क्या लग रहा है गठबंधन कुछ असर होगा? मैं
इतना ही कहूँगी कि यहाँ पर जितने भी राम भक्त हैं वो राष्ट्रद्रोहियों के साथ नहीं हो सकते, वो राम भक्तों के साथ ही हो।
So listen in again. This is a big India Today exclusive. What did Mallikarjun Kharge say when the suspense issue was put to him about Amethi Rai Bareli? Listen in to Congress President.
People are eagerly waiting for your decision on Amethi and Rai Bareli. And many are saying that you might also contest from there.
No. See, there is no question of my contesting there. But 1 or 2 days you will know that who will be the candidates.
People are eagerly waiting for your decision on Amethi and Rai Bareli. And many are saying that you might also contest from there.
No. See, there is no question of my contesting there. But 1 or 2 days you will know that who will be the candidates.
So there's just this constant suspense. Why wouldn't the Congress party just make the announcement very soon on this? Rahul Gautam joining me for the latest on that. Rahul, of course, Mallikarjun Kharge saying there's no reason I'm contesting. But even on other candidates, he hasn't said clearly. What exactly did he say? What do you think is happening within the Congress party?
Well, things are changing very rapidly when it comes to Amethi and Rai Bareli. Earlier, it was proposed that Rahul and Priyanka, both should contest from Amethi and Rai Bareli as going to boost the morale of cadre and going to enhance the electoral process of the Grand Old Party in Uttar Pradesh. But now, there's still no clarity. There hasn't been any official word on this. Party rightly pointed out, is keeping the suspense up. I myself asked Congress President Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge that by when will be knowing the name of the candidate of Amethi and Rai Bareli, to which he said that 3rd is the last day of nomination, and before that you will be knowing. Clearly, he hinted that there might be a possibility that Gandhi can might contest from Uttar Pradesh, given the fact that he said to me that they're going to be local candidates, they're going to be people who come from Uttar Pradesh, and therefore, and we all know that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, the Gandhi family hails from Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad. So clearly, at this point of time, the suspense is still out there, but in a couple of days, you can expect that we'll be getting a confirmation that whether Gandhi will be contesting from Uttar Pradesh or not.
All right, so specifically about 2 more days that it appears, as Rahul Gautam is saying, and he's also making a very important point when he says Mallikarjun Kharge said that they will come from Uttar Pradesh. Gandhis also come from Uttar Pradesh. They have a connect to Allahabad, Prayagraj, where Jawaharlal Nehru's ancestral house has been, where the family has connect to. So are they being shown as Uttar Pradesh family? Because when Mallikarjun Kharge says they will be local picks, even though not taking names, and you know this could be very interesting. Otherwise, which other local pick could possibly be taking on against Smriti Irani? Suresh Nakhua joining me from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Suresh, what do you have to say? Because when Mallikarjun Kharge is still maintaining a certain suspense, saying in 2 days we'll decide, and most likely they will be local picks from within Uttar Pradesh. Can Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi still be local picks?
I mean, see, any candidate is welcome to fight, whether it is Amethi or Raebareli. You have seen the nomination rally of Smriti Irani ji yesterday. We surely welcome them, but I doubt they are fighting because Rahul Gandhi hasn't healed from the wounds of loss of 2019 and he won't want to repeat it. And when Priyanka Gandhi knows this is already a lost cause, why would she start an electoral fight in the electoral arena with a loss? So, and as per your sources I just saw on your
Picks.
channel.
Then what what will the BJP say then?
What?
If Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi will not be decided, as it attempts, some hint is coming out from the Congress party that possibly it could be some other leaders also, because Smriti Irani has been challenging only Rahul to contest from a meeting.
Anybody is welcome. Anybody is welcome to fight. We are sure to win both of them.
All right, Mr. Suresh Nakhua, I appreciate you joining us with the latest on that. Anybody is welcome, says the BJP leaders. Now listen in again. This is another remark that has been made by Mallikarjun Kharge. He's the Congress president, remember. He has to make the final decision. Here's what he said.
3 तारीख लास्ट डेट है अमेठी और रायबरेली के लिए। आपने कहा कि शौक लगेगा हमारे नाम से। कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि आप भी मैदान में उतर सकते हैं इन 2 सीट से।
देखो, मैं जाने का वहां सवाल ही नहीं होता। वहीं के कैंडिडेट्स रहेंगे और मैं अब इस वक्त नाम बताने के पोजीशन में नहीं हूं।